Namaste. Many people want to do sadhana in their life. Whenever you do sadhana, remember two things will happen. Either you'll have a difficult situation or you'll have a difficult person. That's all. There are no two ways about it. Now, don't think sadhana means God will appear and he will put flowers. That is at the end of the game. When the match is over, when the trophy is handed over, when the check is handed over, that is the penultimate part of the game. Till that time, there will be a struggle. The struggle is with a difficult situation. The struggle is with the difficult people. There will be people who will take a wicket of you, who will check your blood pressure, who will throw you off balance, who will not leave you peaceful. Remember to be peaceful, to overcome the 5 poisons of the mind. That is the sadhana. Now, don't ever think it is all the fairies will come, Kundalini will awaken, the chakras will spin, you will have astral travel, you will go into the bardo. Those are all different level altogether. Normal people, even in that level also, you will encounter petty tyrant. So if you want to become big in your sadhana, if you want to become great in your sadhana, encounter your pain, encounter your difficult people, encounter people who screw your ass, who make you feel dirty, who vomit on you, who make you feel lousy. Remember to practice forgiveness or remember to overcome the enemies. This is the way of the sadhana. Don't ever think you will have enough time to practice. Many times you will have very difficult situation to sit down and do your practice. Many times you will have people who will be disturbing you with a phone call, who will be questioning you, will be saying you, and sometimes you will feel insane that you trust in God more than the people. Remember, in sadhana you will have enemies, you will have difficulties. If you are not having enemies and difficulty, you are not doing the sadhana. When the opposition is tough, it means you are really doing the sadhana. Mark my words. That is the meaning of petty tyrant, which been talked about by Carlos Castaneda. So you want to grow big, you want to catch hold of God. Remember to pray, God, God give me big problem, bigger problem than me. That is how you grow in life. This is very, very different from the normal people who say, oh, you be peaceful. You will find yourself getting disturbed. You will not be calm. You will not be peaceful. Sometimes you will have money. Sometimes you will not have money. Sometimes you will have people cooperation. Sometimes you will not have people cooperation. Definitely you will get yourself off balance. To come back into the balance, that is the sadhana. So all the best. Remember, you will have enemies who will keep throwing you like judo, like jujitsu, like aikido. That is where you need to practice your loving kindness, forgiveness, trust in Dharma, trust in God. So it is your enemies who teach bigger than you, than your guru. Take care. These kind of shots will come to you so that you grow spiritually across.